Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar. In this lesson, I want to teach you how to play the song Forever and Ever Amen by Randy Travis. So as always, I'm going to play the song for you first, and then afterwards, I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
You may think that I'm talking foolish. You've heard that I'm wild and I'm free. You may wonder how I can promise you now this love that I feel for you always will be. Well, you're not just some time that I'm killing. I'm no longer one of those guys. As sure as I live, this love that I give, it's gonna be yours until the day that I die. Oh baby, I'm gonna love you forever, forever and ever, amen. As long as old men sit and talk about the weather, as long as old women sit and talk about old men, if you wonder how long I'll be faithful, I'll be happy to tell you again. I'm gonna love you forever and ever, forever and ever, amen. They say time takes its toll on the body, makes the young girl's brown hair turn to gray. But honey, I don't care, I ain't in love with your hair. And if it all fell out, well, I'd love you anyway. You say that time can play tricks on the memory, make people forget things they knew. And it's easy to see that it's happened to me. I've already forgotten every woman but you. Oh darling, I'm gonna love you forever, forever and ever, amen. As long as old men sit and talk about the weather, as long as old women sit and talk about old men, if you're wondering how long I'll be faithful, I'll be happy to tell you again. I'm gonna love you forever and ever, forever and ever, amen.
So for this song, we're going to be using 4 chords from the C chord family. We're going to be using the C chord, the F over C chord, the G chord, and the D minor chord. Now, the G chord is the only chord in this song that we're going to actually play all 6 strings. When we play the C or the F over C, we want to make sure that we're not playing that low E string. The low E string is not part of those chords, and it needs to not resonate. So what you can do is you can use your thumb to touch that low E string to mute it so it's not resonating while you strum. For the D minor chord, we need to start our strumming on the D string. That means the E and the A string are not part of the D chord, okay? So we want to just be very accurate in our strumming with this hand, with our strumming hand, and make sure that we're strumming on that D string. We're starting there, and we're only strumming the bottom 4 strings. For strumming, we're going to be using the folk pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums, and then we're going to add in some up strums after beat 3 and 4. Also, we want to make sure that for the first beat of each measure, we're only plucking the root note of the chord. So let me explain what I'm talking about. So I'm going to hold that C chord here, and the root note of the C chord is our C note. And the C note is found right here. This is the A string, and by pressing down on the 3rd fret, that's giving me my C note. So I want to start my strumming here, and I want that on the first beat of each measure. I want to just pluck that note by itself, okay? So we have 1, and then 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 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 2. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.